Hi, this is Milestone 1, the Design Challenge. My name is Sean Greaves, and my design challenge is client service reporting. So, who am I? Well, my name is Sean. I'm 52 years of age, and I live currently in Geelong in Victoria. I have two children, my 8-month-old little girl called Leia, and my soon-to-be 3-year-old Sevi, and of course, my lovely wife, Loida. And I work for a company called Dimension Data. So Dimension Data started its life out as a support services company doing break-fix work for clients for all of their networking structure. But over the years, it's moved into managed services to do the outsourced operations of clients' IT environments, as well as now, of course, moving into the cloud. Along with the managed services, we're really looking at how we do day-to-day operations across data centers, networks, applications, collaboration tools, security. And we've implemented using the scaled agile framework for enterprises as the means by which we develop new service offerings. But we haven't really put a lot of focus into the design lens. And we've started to touch on areas around things like user personas and customer journey mapping. So what is my problem? Well, as we've built up a range of service offerings, each one is slightly unique, and therefore they each have different challenges, different interfaces, different communication channels with clients, and quite disparate service experience is had by our clients who buy more than one service. And probably the most key area that's noticed in is with the service reporting that we do on a monthly basis, so that we can tell our clients how we're performing in the delivery of their services and how well their IT environment is performing. And we have this legacy of utilizing a lot of paper-based or PDF reporting on a monthly basis per service. So our problem is really, how do we provide our clients with meaningful information about our service performance in a format that they actually want to consume? And how do we do it consistently across our services? Because in reality, clients don't really buy services. They're looking for solutions to their problems. And quite often, the way to solve that problem is to offer more than one service bundled together. But if different services have been designed with different reporting structures, from a client's perspective, it's very frustrating to actually be looking at a set of monthly reports that don't marry up with each other. So in fact, we don't really look like one company at the moment. And clients don't have a view on how the end-to-end of their IT environments are performing, or how well we're performing across the range of services that we're providing to them. Our other consideration is we're dealing with global service offerings. So in each country around the world, there are cultural differences, local terminology that may be used in IT, and different levels of technology maturity that play heavily into how we need to present that type of service reporting to clients. And fundamentally, the current approach that we've got is very labor intensive because we end up with lots of customized reporting. So where am I within design thinking continuum? Well, I've started applying principles of service design into the way we're doing designing and planning sessions as we are developing new services and enhancing existing services. And I've started using tools such as client journey mapping, service blueprint mapping, but we've got a long way to go. So really, we're sitting between discovery and the first attempt, in my opinion. And where have I seen design thinking at work? Well, to me, a perfect example is Changi Airport in Singapore. Changi Airport's been laid out in an ergonomic fashion to allow people to move through as they are transiting from one flight to another, so they never feel crowded, that they have facilities available to them at every step along the way, and the whole environment is designed to be relaxing and peaceful in order to take the tension out of the whole process of traveling. But I think what really epitomizes the way design thinking has been applied in Changi Airport is in the toilets. The toilets themselves are designed to be peaceful. They're spacious. They use a lot of automation so that you don't need to be touching taps or toilets that other people have touched. There's a myriad of ways in which you can wash, dry your hands so that really you have the choices of what you prefer as you go through the experience of going to the bathroom. Other key area is the way that they've designed the layout of where those toilets are so that they don't fall in between travelators, but slightly off-center from them, so that it helps to keep the traffic through travelators moving, and therefore they're not impeding the flow of traffic who may be going to their gate. The other thing is, of course, there are toilets literally every second gate within the terminals. And every toilet facility has a dedicated cleaner full-time, and they have a feedback terminal located at the exit of the bathrooms, and that is centrally collected and analyzed so they can take action where they think that any facility is not keeping up to standard. Thank you very much.